You want to eat organic, but the prices are too high. You don't eat home-cooked meals. Instead, you eat a lot of fast food. It's time to rethink tuna and to savor your roast. Author, speaker, and divine health coach Sheila Brown has written a cookbook, sometimes raw, sometimes cooked, always divinely prepared, full of 21 tasty and life-affirming vegan dishes to inspire daughters of the Most High to eat healthily. Cooking is love when meals are divinely prepared. Learn the science of divinely prepared meals to satisfy both sides of human hunger. The book teaches you the best plant-based, gluten-free, nutrient-dense recipes that will make you wonder why you haven't eaten like this before now. You'll also learn the way to remove up to 96% of the pesky pesticides commonly associated with conventionally grown vegetables. What are you waiting for? Order yours now.